building a home is a one-time experience which lasts for a lifetime. We wanted some design, something like which would be very comfortable, minimalistic furniture, and with lot of storage, so that it would be an open space, and every corner which we look would be our comfort zone. So when we came across with Bill Flick and their team, we put forth our ideas, and they really very well helped us implement that. We also got to learn many new innovative ideas from them, which we happily implemented in the house. It's far more better than what we had imagined our home to be.
Congratulations. Hi, I'm Snehita. I'm an interior designer at Bill Flick. So today we are here in Kompally, NCL Sindhu apartment for a 3 BHK home. The client name is Mr. Anish. So we have followed a theme of modern contemporary interiors with a classic touch. So now I'll take you to the walkthrough of this entire flat. Let's get started. So we have given a texture paint wall along with the wooden grooving work done, and also the finish is like charcoal grey to highlight this particular area, along with a standing lamp to add some more beautification to this area. We have matched the furniture as well. The combination of pumic grey and some kind of slate grey finish furniture. Coming to the TV unit, we have given a charcoal grey laminate texture. There's a matte texture in the laminates, and also some open boxes along with few drawers and a profile, aluminium profile with a black tinted glass. If you see the back panel of the TV unit, it is made up of marble laminate to give that marble look, and also we have highlighted this area with complete wooden grooving work. So the entry of the dining area is highlighted with this wooden panel, and the profile lights are concealed inside the panel. Let's get into the dining area. So the complete dining table along with the chairs is made up of solid wood, and we have added a crockery unit and also the vanity unit. So coming to the crockery unit, I have given a wall units, base units and the tall units till 8 feet height. And for the wall units, we have given a profile glass, black tinted one. And coming to the vanity unit, we have given a designer glass highlighted with the cove lighting running behind the glass, the mirror and black tinted glass, and also the pine wood texture. We have highlighted it with a decorative wash basin along with the copper tap. So the corner unit is highlighted with a open unit kind of setup. This is a design element for this particular corner. So coming to the master bedroom. So we have given a TV unit, the basic one. Client doesn't want the TV unit to look so bulky. So we have given 2 ledges on the top and the bottom to place the setup box and also some artifacts. And coming to this unit, it's a proper inclined bookshelf unit, so it adds a beauty to this particular space. So client is very much interested in reading the books, hence we have provided something like this. And if you see the cot, so behind the cot we have provided a wallpaper, the rustic and golden finish wallpaper, which gives a complementary to the other units like wardrobes or bookshelves. So we have highlighted the either sides of the bed with a lacquered glass and added a profile lighting behind that. So if you see the wardrobe, we have provided the Aristo sliders. So complete end to end from the floor to the ceiling, we have packed with a proper single shutter wardrobe. If you see here, this is like profile black along with the mystic gold finish, highlighted with a cappuccino finish which complements the same. Coming to the dresser area, this is tan finish and this is beige finish. Beige finish is like matte finish, and the tan finish here we have taken is a glossy. And for the dresser unit, again we have provided a cove lighting around the mirror and given a copper knobs and the chrome handles. So the walk-in closet is completely made up of a dresser unit along with the open shelves to store some items, the cosmetics or whatsoever. And also we have provided the storage unit for placing the clothes. And if you see here, this is the open box unit covered with a profile glass. It's a clear glass. So apart from master bedroom, we do have two more bedrooms. One is guest bedroom and one more is parents bedroom. Let's enter into this bedroom. So we have provided the wardrobes along with the Aristo sliders end to end from the flooring to the ceiling with a single shutter, highlighted with a champagne finish. And beside that, we have provided a dresser unit, and the speciality of this dresser unit is like we have provided the internal storage behind the mirror with a decorative knob and also the knobs, the copper knobs. And this complete finish is tan finish high gloss laminate. So for this particular room, it's a guest bedroom. Clients wants to add some extra storage along with the existing one. So we have provided the cherry walnut storage with a 7 feet height wardrobe. So coming to the kitchen, we have highlighted the complete kitchen with a combination of two finishes. One with frosty white for the wall units and one more is the celestial blue for the base units. Along with, we have used a frosted glass for the wall units. So I just want to explain each and every unit here in detail. So for the sink unit, we have given a complete open box kind of thing along with a dustbin. And this is a basic shutter unit with a removable shelf. And this is the hob unit. And the top drawer is with a cutlery tray. The next drawer is for cups and saucers. So coming to the opposite side of the kitchen, we have given wall units of 4 feet height, base units at the bottom, a roller shutter, and a tall unit for the pantry storage. Inside the tall units, we have provided the removable shelves. And if we see, we have given the complete granite countertop of a lighter color which complements the base unit shutters, and also the marble tiles as a dado tiling. So this is the balcony area. So one of the favorite places of the client where he can just sit, relax and enjoy the scenic view. So for this particular area, I have given the complete wall with the stored cladding and added the decorative piece for the planters. And given the artificial grass as a flooring and also PVC wooden paneling for the false ceiling. And if you see here, we have used all-weather furniture, a bench which can sustain the heat and moisture in all the seasons.
I would really recommend Belflick to go with, because it was really a hassle-free process for us, like from beginning to end. It incorporated all the things we needed, so definitely a big thumbs up to the team.